Hello everyone. So today we're going to the place that someone says it looks like heaven. So yes, you heard it correctly. They said it's like heaven. So we're going there and find out if it is really like heaven. So just hang on guys and we will update you shortly. Please don't go away. Just keep watching. Can you guess where we are now? Just look and watch. Guys, so we reached our destination for today. We are here now. Look at my background. It's beautiful. Look at that. Guess the location, guys. Look at the tower. Are you familiar with that tower? Well, it's Upper Seletar Reservoir. Our location today. We are here to have Upper Seletar Reservoir. Upper Seletar Reservoir. Let's go! Super excited, good siya. It's the tower. As you can see, Upper Seletar Reservoir. So this place is really beautiful, guys. That's why someone says it looks like heaven. Look at that. A beautiful view over there. Grabe siya. Wow, how beautiful is that, guys? Don't allow to go at the side. Wow, 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 wow. Wow! It's a wow, guys! Beautiful. We're going up to the how to call this tower. We're going up to the tower, guys. Let's go. Up to the tower. Almost there, almost there. Almost at the top of the tower. As you can see, the view downstairs is really beautiful. I need to catch my breath. Look at that thing. Wow. What is that beautiful? Oh dear. It's really beautiful. Wow, I can't breathe. Okay. I never thought it's very high. Okay, come here. I reached the place. I cannot catch my. Let's go. Sorry. What a beautiful place. Oh, I need to catch my breath. Beautiful.
Sabi ko huwag kayo. Pasok mo. Picture. Dito ka pa ka, tumalakat ako. Wow.
This is what you get when you come up here. Look at that, guys.
Welcome to Upper Seletar Reservoir. Maganda ko sa dagat yung ano lang siya. Sa view? Huwag niya nailalagay. Wala nang konti ko eh. Magigit masyado.
Nahigap na atin na meeting. This is. Remove your mask. Say hi.
Hindi, hold upper ba ya?
He said he's a gangster, the pretty gangster.
No, hold upper.
Another friend of mine. Hi. And we are here. Look at that. This beautiful place. Scared my phone will drop. Then sorry phone.
Serious ka din.
Look at that, downstairs. We're going down na. After a decade after. Ay, bastos ka.
Baba! 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 Ay! Hintayin mo ako! Saan ka na ba? Hindi kita makita! Ang ginapicturehan ko! Lalita, sexy mo ba? Tagay, kaligin ang ulo ko.
Oh my goodness, what is this?
I'm busy!
Go round and round. Oh my god. I feel like I'm drunk. 1 liter.
Ulan sa orchard.
May lang right. And then we are out. So after a long activity, we get tired and hungry. So it's a break. We're eating here. Look at my surrounding. We just here just now. We're eating with my beautiful friend.
Gamuan-muan ako eh.
I have all chunky. I have fish cutlet. Ha? Anong ganito? Tawag ka ginaka dyan? Fish fillet? Yummy.
Diba ang sugal? Makasalanan.
Oo. Sugal?
Bakit pag nanalo ng sugal, nasasabing thank you Lord? Bakit pag nanalo ng sugal, nasasabing thank you Lord for the blessing?
Sugal is not a sin one.
Di ba?
It's just illegal against the law, that's all.
Nagindugtog nito. Nagindugtog na. Dito ito rawit. Hindi naman gulo. Hindi, diba? First time.
Diba, kung libutan mo na siya, wala ko.
Rain has started. Look at that. The
1,
sky.
2, 3.
Oh, dear.
1, 2, 3. Tubang yaw ay.
Look at that.
Animated do. Pindot lang pindot. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2.
And we're still here. It's raining already.
Okay. Raining na. Saan kita was? 1.
We're looking for the shelter. It's raining already. Looking for the shelter. We go up to the stairs again because of the rain. We're here hiding from the rain.
Hindi nga bus stop man.
Far away, 20 minutes.
Dito ba? Oh, sabok?
Anong good? Was Google ka. Continue the food.
If you like this video guys, please hit like, share and subscribe, and I will see you again on my next video.